Oils do not just give you glowing, smooth skin. They nourish your skin, they repair your skin, and they are that skincare product that is relatively safe to use every day and anytime. And also, oils can be used on the face and on the body. When you get the right product, you are going to love the result. So today I'm going to be giving you a list of 20 brightening, lightening, skin glowing body oils. This list of 20 has both lightening body oils, has brightening body oils, has glowing body oils. That means if you're a caramel skin person, I have something for you. If you're a fair skin person, I have something for you. If you're someone that wants to get like a shade or two lighter or brighter, I have something for you. So all you need to do is get your pen and paper, or save this video, or download this video, or get your hands ready to take a screenshot for the one that you would like. So I'm going to be explaining these oils, how they work, some of their active ingredients, for some that I would like to specify the ingredients that they contain, okay, and also tell you how to use them. So because I'm making this video basically because the weather is so hot. I don't know where you are, but here in Lagos State, the weather is freaking hot. So instead of you going out in the mornings without using a body lotion just because you are hot, just because the weather is too hot, do you understand? And there's basically no lights. You get? So it is better to use body oils than not to use anything at all. Do you understand? So at this year, 2026, in your skincare, I do not want you feeling guilty in any way. So instead of you going about feeling guilty, oh, I'm not using body lotion because the weather is too hot and all of that, you can use body oils. There are super duper lightweight body oils that you can use even when the weather is hot. I am telling you from experience, because basically this season, all I've basically been using are my body oils, because sometimes in the morning or in the afternoon, the weather is just too hot for me to use body lotion and be doing 10 steps body routine. Do you understand? So these body oils are super chef's kiss, super amazing. I have my best on there, and after the list of 20, I am going to be giving you one bonus for people with stubborn hyperpigmentation on their body. Okay, and these oils are super duper affordable. I have affordable ones. Okay, for those of you on the affordable side, and for those of you that have open budget, middle budget, I have a lot of amazing body oils for you today that I want to talk to you about. So stay tuned, like this video, share this video. Let's go. So the first on my list is Disaar Honey Miracle Oil. Have you heard of these oils before? I have super weird unpopular body oils for you in today's list, but these oils are super amazing. Now this particular oil is very, very good. Now how it works is to gently brighten your skin, it glows your skin, it hydrates your skin, it moisturizes your skin. This is a super body oil that you can use whether you're in your 20s, whether you're in your 30s, whether you're in your 40s, because it has honey extract, it has olive oil, it has vitamin E that can help to, target some signs of aging, like wrinkles, like fine lines, like give you that deep moisturization. Aside from that, this is an oil that you can use on your skin every day. You can basically use it morning and night, morning, afternoon, and night. It doesn't have overdose. If there is one thing that, you know, or one kind of skincare or type of products that I like, they are products that you don't have limit of usage. You can basically use this thing anytime, any day, no matter the frequency you want to use it at. Because me, I like easy things in life. If something is not easy, count me out. If it is not easy, count Jennifer out of it. Do you understand? And that is basically how I like to arrange my videos and and whatever suggestions I bring for you. So this particular one is super good. If you have not tried it before, try it. Whether no matter your skin complexion, Disaar Honey Miracle is very, very good. Honey on its own, if you know me, if you're not seeing me for the first time, you know that I'm big on honey. In fact, I'm not using honey on my skin now. It is because I've not figured out a way to constantly use honey on my skin. Honey is super duper amazing. It has natural exfoliating properties in it. So by the time you are using this oil, you are going to notice gentle exfoliation. The secret to using oils like this is longevity. Use them for a long time and you are absolutely going to love your skin. Let me not talk too much on this one because our list is plenty. Now the second one on my list is Neutrogena body oil. This one, the basic ingredient is sesame oil. Now sesame oil is super duper amazing for the skin. It moisturizes the skin, it nourishes the skin. If there's one thing I love about body oils, it is skin nourishment. Now if you are someone that has skin damage, you have green veins, you have red veins, you're having some white patches, eczema reactions, you have cream reactions on your skin, sis bro, get body oils. They are going to do your skin a whole lot of good. Specific kind of body, because there are different types of body oils, which my list here contains different types, which I'm going to be explaining to you. So Neutrogena is one of those body oils that you are going to use if you have skin issues you are treating. If you have reactions from cream, you use the particular body lotion and it gave you reaction on your skin, get Neutrogena body oil. It is super amazing. It is good for dry skin. It is good for oily skin. It is super lightweight. Now, because it's lightweight doesn't mean that it is not going to moisturize the skin. No, it is super moisturizing. It is super hydrating and deeply nourishing to the skin. Like Neutrogena is ranked as one of the best body oils by the users. It is super good. When you start using it, you are just going to be noticing that your skin is looking fresher. Do you understand? Your skin is looking fresher. Your skin is beginning to glow. Your skin is beginning. This one now is not about brightening. No, 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 no. If you're into brightening, into lightening, come out from this one. This one is just for people that want to nourish their skin. You want to give your skin that deep nourishment, that deep healing. Go for Neutrogena. You are absolutely going to love it. If you have dark skin, if you have caramel skin, try Neutrogena body oil. If you have used it before, let us know in the comment section. So now, please, any of these oils you have used before, leave in the comment section how you saw it so that people will know, or it will help people in their choice making when to buy, or when they want to buy, they will know which one in particular to buy. The third on my list is just like the Neutrogena body oil, and that is Aveeno. Aveeno is one super lightweight body oil. Now, this season, just like I said, the weather is super hot where I am here in Nigeria. The weather is super hot. Now, if you're someone that has oily skin and you have some money, go for Aveeno body oil. Aveeno is super lightweight. Now, I would not recommend Aveeno for people with dry skin because, yeah, it might not be so moisturizing, especially if you're someone in the diaspora, like you're not in Nigeria, or, yeah, you're not in Nigeria, basically. I think Nigeria is because Kenya is sort of a little cold. Rwanda, all of those places, they can be cold sometimes. But Lagos, Nigeria, is never cold at any point in time. It's always hot. So if you're in like the north, maybe you have some cold times there. But here, we don't have any cold time. So if you're in Lagos specifically and you have oily skin, get Aveeno body oil and use it during these seasons that the weather is super duper hot. The major ingredients are oat oil and jojoba oil. This particular blue one on the screen is very good. The green one, the one with the green design, is more popular, but this particular one is super duper amazing for your skin. If you have tried that, the one with that green design, try this one. You are going to love this particular one. Now, the fourth on my list is one body oil that I used, I think in 2024 or 2025. I used 2024 stroke 2025, and that is the Taravit lightening body oil. If you have been watching me since back then, you will know about this body oil. Now, this body oil is super duper amazing. It has almond oil, it has vitamin E, it has glutathione, it has carrot oil, it has rose oil, lavender oil, kojic acid, papaya oil. It has super duper amazing body oil. Now, this particular body oil is on the thicker side. It has a bit of thick consistency. Understand? If you're someone with dry skin, your skin would absolutely love this one. If you're someone with aging skin, because a lot of you usually ask, oh, can someone with aging skin use this one? If you're someone with aging skin, your skin will absolutely love this body oil, and you want to brighten your skin. You want to get a shade to 2 shades lightening over time of using this product, go for Taravit. Taravit is a soft lightening body oil. It has amazing ingredients, but from experience of using it, I would say it's not that overnight transformation body oil. It is going to transform your skin. It is going to bring you from ease to worse, something like that. But it doesn't do that overnight. It takes its time. It works gradually. I absolutely enjoyed using this particular body. In fact, by the time I was using it, it brightened me to a point that I had to stop using it for a while. Like I started spacing it out because I had gotten the complexion that I wanted. I didn't want to stretch my complexion, so I had to reduce frequency of usage, then continued and until I finished out the body oil. So this is an amazing, amazing body oil for you that want to brighten your skin and over time enhance your skin complexion by 1 to 2 shades. Not that bleaching lightening effect. No, 1 to 2 shades is basically brightening. It's not even lightening because yeah, people won't even notice. People just notice that oh, your skin is now glowing. So, but as I said, it's on the thicker consistency. So if you're someone with oily skin, you might not find it favorable, especially if you are in a hot area, unless you live in a very ventilated place or you are using it in specific parts of your body. That is another way I am going to recommend to use this body oil. Let's say you are someone that your legs are darker or your hands are darker. Get Taravit and use it specifically on your leg to blend your skin complexion, or use it specifically on your hands to blend your skin complexion. Do you understand? So that's how Taravit oil work. Now, the fifth one is the super popular oil, and that is the glow booster oil. Now, the very popular one is the vitamin C, but the one I always recommend back to back to back to back is the vitamin C plus turmeric skin point body oil. That one is super duper amazing. Like, it is going to glow your skin. You know that body oil you are going to start using, and in 2 weeks, people are asking you, what are you using? Your skin is glowing. Like, your skin has this shine, this vibrance to it. Do you understand? It is skin point turmeric or vitamin C plus turmeric body oil. It is that girl. Now, here are some of the ingredients. Some of the ingredients. It has vitamin C, it has turmeric, it has kojic acid, has alpha arbutin, it has shea butter. It has shea butter, guys. It has aloe vera extract, ginger root extract, apple fruit extract, ginseng extract. It has ferulic acid, it has rice bran oil, it has rosemary oil. These are some of the ingredients it contains, amongst other amazing skin nourishing, skin replenishing, skin repairing body oil. Now, who will I recommend this particular one to? If you are someone that has blemishes on the skin, because when it comes to, let's say, turmeric, papaya, carrot, turmeric specifically is best recommended for people that have blemishes on their skin. You are a fair skin person, but your skin, it has some marks on it. You can't explain it. You have some marks on your skin. Your skin is not like smooth. Do you understand? It's not texture. And I'm not talking about texture. I'm talking about your complexion is not. There are some dark marks. There are just marks on your body, maybe mosquito bites from childhood and all of those things. Focus on turmeric oils and give your skin time. Your skin is going to blend. Those blemishes are going to clear. Now, if you are that person that you have your skin, you are either dark skin complexion or you are fair skin complexion, but your skin complexion is not smooth generally. Do you understand? Go for this particular glow booster vitamin C plus turmeric body oil. It is going to brighten your skin, one. It is going to glow your skin, two. It is going to clear blemishes on your skin and even out your skin complexion. It is going to polish your skin. That's the right word. It is going to polish your skin complexion. You know, when you pick up a shoe that you've worn for 3 days, it's not like the color changed, but yeah, it needs polishing. That's what it's going to do for your skin. It's going to polish your skin and give you that glow, that shine, that radiance, that even skin complexion. That once someone looks at you, the person is not seeing blemishes. It's just seeing a fair girl, a fair guy, a caramel skin girl, a caramel skin guy without blemishes. Now, the sixth on my list is the Palmer's body oil. This particular one, this oil is super duper amazing. Do you understand? Palmer's doesn't go so crazy on products, on ingredients in their this thing, in their formulations, but they use the best grades of oil. Now, if you do not know, when it comes to formulation, there are different grades of things. Skincare, like when you hear kojic acid, when you hear all of this vitamin C, there are different grades. Do you understand? But one thing with Palmer's is a certified, verified, accredited, I don't know the names and badges you want to give them, but they are known to use the best of the best of the best ingredients in their formulations. And that is why their products don't come cheap. Anywhere you buy Palmer's products and it seems cheap, it is fake. Palmer's products are not cheap. They are not for people on a budget. Do you understand? So if you're not on a budget and you need a body oil, a super lightweight body oil, a fast absorbing body oil that will not leave your skin dry, that will help your skin to recover. Let's say you are someone that is pregnant, you are pregnant, you have stretch marks. Do you understand? You have stretch marks, you have cellulite you're working on, you have some skin issues you want to work on, like you want to give your skin this real nourishment from oils that actually contain what they say that they contain. Go for Palmer's. I would always recommend Palmer's for people that have troubled skin, that actually have the money to buy Palmer's products. Palmer's body oil is the girl. It is that girl. I believe if you can't afford bio oil is another good one, but the price is, you understand. So if you can't afford bio oil, go for Palmer's. Palmer's is one good body oil that you can add into your routine, and over time of usage, you are going to be stuck. If you are someone that is trying to heal your skin from bleaching, you are trying to heal your skin from maybe rashes and all of those things, go for Palmer's. This particular one is super duper amazing. They have different types of oils. They have the skin therapy, the one that is specifically for people with stretch marks and pregnancy and all of those. But this particular one is more general. It is more moisturizing and hydrating to the skin. So consider going for this particular one. Now the seventh on my list is Disaar carrot oil. Disaar carrot miracle, because this is their miracle version now. It's sort of an upgraded version of the regular Disaar carrot, Disaar papaya, and all of that. So this Disaar carrot miracle is also amazing. Like a lot of people that have clicked into this their miracle version, they are loving it. I am personally still using the papaya. This is the papaya, and it is super amazing. Like I've used it out. It is super duper amazing. This oil is going to gently brighten your skin. The carrot oil actually is going to brighten your skin. It works similar to the one that I have, just in case you might want to add. It works similar. So carrot is basically for brightening of the skin, for evening out of your skin, for clearing minor dark spots on your skin. Do you understand? So it is super amazing and it is lightweight. Okay, these are lightweight oils. These are not body oils that are for people with super dry skin. Do you understand? Just like I said, the reason why I'm basically making this video is because I feel the weather is hot and I know a lot of people from Lagos are watching me, and so that is why I'm making this video. You can also get these oils to add them with your body lotion if you're in the diaspora. Do you understand? You use them alongside your body lotion and you're absolutely going to love it. Now, one of my best Disaar products is the Disaar vitamin C body oil. I have used like from when I started using this oil, I've used over 20 bottles. Over that, I'm not counting well now. It is super nice. Disaar vitamin C is one of their first body oils that has been selling for ages, but it is still very potent. When it comes to brightening your skin, you're on a budget and you need that body oil you are going to start using now, and your skin is going to start glowing. Go for this one. Now, one thing I want to tell you is that these products are not lightening products. They are brightening, glowing products. These are two different things. But a lot of people get it twisted. Do you understand? That's why some people go and use some product and say, oh, it did not work for me, and all of those things. No, these are not lightening. No matter what they write here, whitening and all of those things. No, this is not a whitening body oil. This is not a lightening body oil. If you like, use this body oil for 10 years. It is not going to lighten your skin. That is how a dark skin person can use it, a caramel skin person can use it, a white Caucasian person can use it, an Indian, Korean, anybody can use our body oils for all skin complexion. I'm talking about this. It's a body oil for all skin complexion from every tribe and every country. All it does is to even out your skin tone, to brighten your skin complexion. If you're a dark person, it's going to just brighten your darkness. It's not going to make you fair. So a lot of dark people run away from all these oils because they wrote lighten. No, it doesn't lighten. It doesn't lighten the skin at all, at all. Now the ninth I have on my skin is this papaya miracle, which is this one that I have. It is super amazing. So let me not dwell on it. I've already talked on it. The next one is the Disaar turmeric miracle. This one, as I said, anything Disaar is for people with blemishes. If you know you have blemishes on your skin and you're on a budget, go for Disaar turmeric. That is the one I'm going to recommend for you.